Another way of finding standard deviation by using the same formula, this formula here, the formula we have been learning, we have used this formula, the one we used there. It is by saying, it is by multiplying each frequency, you multiply it by each midpoint minus the mean we got. You remember we got the mean there. Then whatever you have or whatever you find, you square it. Instead of writing the table we wrote there, you can just go direct to this formula. In this case, you must know each midpoint. The midpoint, the x, the midpoint of this, the data which we are given there. The midpoint of 20 and 30, it is 25, because 20 plus 30, it is 50. 50 divided by 2, we get 25. This is the 25 we have there. So we are going to say, in this case, we are going to have 35, 25 outside, which is each frequency. Open bracket, 25 we got after adding 30 and 25, then divide by 2, then minus 33. So this is what we have. I was saying, we have to multiply each frequency multiplied by each class interval, each class or the middle point we have. For example, we have 40 to 45, it is 90. If you add the 2, then divided by 2, we are going to have 45. So we write 45. No wonder we have 45 there. So once you do this, you square everything there, then you say over 100. Now, your next step will be, you get your calculator as usual, and you punch it. So you're going to write the same 5 there. I will repeat it and say open bracket. I will write my 5 there. There's the 5 there, minus 33. So I will say 5 minus 33. That is what I have. Then whatever I have, I will square it. So I have 784. The answer I got, I squared it. What answer did I get? The answer I got, you square it. Then I go to plus. Again, I will say 15 because there is a 15 there. Okay, I will say 10. Open bracket, 15 minus 33. So I will say 15 minus 33. Whatever answer I get, I square. I will square that answer. The answer I have is 324. Then I'll come again plus 25. Open bracket. I have 25 minus 33. Whatever answer I get, I square. So I have 64. 64. Then plus. I have 30 there. I'm seeing 30 there. So it will be 30. We have a 30 there. A 30, open bracket. We have 35 minus 3. It will be 2. 2 squared, it will be 4. Then we have plus C. You come again, 20, open bracket. We have 45. So we have 45. 45 minus 33. Whatever we get, we square. So we are going to have 144. 144. Then we have plus. We have 10, open bracket, 55 minus 33. We have 22, then 22 squared. The answer I get is 484. 484. That is what we have. Then everything, you say everything over 100. So now you expand that one, which will be this still, to me, I'm seeing it will still be the same as having the table. So for me, the table is okay. Even this one, it is okay. So now we have now 5 by, we multiply that 5. This 5, we multiplied by everything in the bracket. So it will be 5 by 784. The answer we get is 3920 plus 10 times everything there inside, it will be 3240 plus 25 by 64. The answer we get is 1600 plus we have 30 times 4, it will be 120. Then plus 20 by 144. The answer we get is 2880. We had like 2880 there. Then we come to plus 10 multiplied by that one, it will be 484 and 0. Everything over 100. Now we have now to add this. So we are going to add, this is the addition we had there. Let us now add. We add that one, we see what we are going to get. But if you add this, you add them, you are going to get a 4, and not a 4, but a 1, 6. If we add everything here, we'll get the one on top, 1660, 2620. Then everything over 100. The answer we get, if we say everything over, we're going to have 1662. Therefore, now you square root, because to find standard deviation, we have to square root. What we found here is the variance. Now we square root the variance, and the answer we are going to get is 12.89. 12.89. So you can use this method, or you use the table. You still need to find, you still be able to find the same answer. However, you should always bear in mind that you have to find the mean. The mean has to be found, and also the class, the midpoint of the class given, since this is the grouped data. Now, we are going to have, remember, we have this. This is the way the question was. We are going to look at other questions which do not have the range, where there is nothing like to do with 0 is less than or equal to x, less than or equal to 10, such kind of issues which are not there. We're going to look at such kind of questions. How are we going to answer them? Otherwise, even such kind of questions, they are also known as grouped data. Those are also known as grouped data. Thank you so much. We end here and expect some other videos for statistics.